Hey guys, this is what type of vacuums I have, but it's very off topic, from my channel. But I'm starting collecting vacuums now. Here's my Shark. They start getting expensive now. I got this one. My mom got this one off someone from a hotel, and this one I got from Goodwill for 15 bucks. And this one's my Bissell. Shark Bissell. I got this one today. Hopefully I could get another one next couple weeks from now. Belt, electric rollers. I gave you a test. Just shortly. This one only has its attachments. Shark really doesn't. And this will all three of them look like together again. And here's all their bottoms look like. I used to have another vacuum sitting. In one of my fire alarm videos, it was sitting in that corner. That vacuum sadly rests in peace. And there's this one. All of them. This one's pretty dirty. They all dirty. And time I gave them a test. This one is the loudest one. The Bissell. Here's this vacuum. The sound. I'm gonna go and give you a sound of the rotor. Alright, there's that vacuum. And this one, it has the same exact noise. Like this, I'm not gonna show this one. What time to show the Bissell? And here's this one. It has an incandescent light.